Hello everyone, this is Enki from Lampack. Today I will show you the fully automatic protein powder pre-made pouch filling machine solution. Okay, this is the 1 kg to 10 kg protein powder doypack filling machine solution. And this solution includes 4 parts. The first part is our single doypack filling machine. And the second part is the dust remover. And the third part is our powder measuring system. And the fourth part is the scoop dispensing devices. About our doypack filling machine, the first step is the bag giving devices. The conveyor belt will giving the doypack and under the day printer. After the day print on the doypack, and the machine will pick up the bags and then open the bags. This vacuum suckers is to open the doypack. After the doypack opens, and the filling hopper will fill the powder inside of the pouch accordingly. And the scoop dispensing also will feed the spoon onto the filling hopper. After filling, the machine will make the bag sealed. This is the heating sealer. And after sealing, the doypack will convey to this lifting belt and output to workers for pick up the bags. Let's follow our photograph to see the full complete machine working video. Okay, if you have some powder pre-made pouch doypack filling machine solution inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.